Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is 8,000 astrology. In today's video, we will talk about what is 8,000 representing, what is 8,000 deal with, all the significance of 8,000. Here, one thing is very important to discuss is that we can see a lot of things from a single house in astrology, but here we are only talking about which are important significance of 8th house, because we cannot talk about all the significance of any house in single video, because we can see a lot of things from a single house, from first house, second house, third house, fourth house. Will only talk about the few important things, we few daily basis encounter things which we face in our daily basis life regarding 8,000 things. So first of all, in chronological order, Scorpio sign comes in the 8th house. Scorpio sign also has the 8th house energy, but right now we are not talking about the sign. We are talking about the house and what 8th house represented in astrological birth chart in everyone's birth chart. First of all, 8th house deal with your longevity. 8th house represent how long your life will be, how your longevity will be protected, and how you will encounter your sudden positive event or sudden negative event in your life. We also see your secret activities, your secret research, your secret dealings, all of secrets you see from 8th house. The secretive things, all the secretive evil things, all the secretive good things is also seen from 8th house. Secretive evil things mean bad magic, black magic, and all of this stuff which is deal from 8th house, and any secretive energy seen from 8th house. 8th house also deal with your research activities. If someone is doing any research on any subject in their life, on any regarding any subject, like research studies is also seen from 8th house, because 8th house deal with searching, 8th house deal with hidden things, 8th house deal with your gems is represented by 8th house. 8th house also deal with secretive agencies which are working behind the scene regarding any country. CIA, ISI, and intelligence services. All the because in mundane astrology is all the secretive agencies is seen from 8th house. Or your in-laws related matter, because from 7th house we see your spouse, and spouse's family is also seen from 8th house. 8th house also deal with your unearned money. Unearned money means which you 8th house also deal with your 8th house also deal with your unexpected gains of money and your unearned money, and you also get the family's wealth seen from 8th house. Your your sexual organs, your private parts, private organs in the body is also seen from 8th house, like sexual organs. 8th house also deal with your sexual activities, and sexual organs is also seen from 8th house. 8th house basically 8th house represent your secret activities seen from 8th house. Your toilet is also seen from 8th house, because 4th house, 8th house, and 12th house, all of these houses are always connected with your privacy and your private things and your secretive things, because from 4th house we see your homeland, and from 8th house we see your secret and secretive activities seen from 8th house. In downs, major transformation, like in a positive way or in a bad way, is also seen from 8th house. Sudden positive event, sudden negative event, like your accidents, like your you will get suddenly good money in the form of lottery, in the form of prize bond, or etc. Other investment schemes is also seen from 8th house. So these are the basics. So these are the basic things which we see from 8th house. So these are the basic important thing which we see from everyone's birth chart in your 8th house. Now, let's suppose if someone is a Aries ascendant, for example, let's take a Aries ascendant. If someone having the Aries ascendant, so 8th house occupied by a Scorpio sign, and Lord of the Scorpio sign is Mars. Let's suppose someone is Aries ascendant and the 8th house Lord is placed in their, let's suppose, ninth house. So, 8th house Lord is going to ninth house in the sign of Sagittarius. And Lord of the Sagittarius, Lord of the ninth house is also be very important to judge in this case scenario, because 8th house Lord is present, second places away from itself in your ninth house. And ninth house Lord, and ninth house which is occupied by Sagittarius sign, we also must see the Lord of your ninth house. So, so your eighth house Lord is places second places away from itself. This represents you will have the good opportunities regarding your eighth house related matter, and you will get the gains regarding your eighth house related matter, and you will also involve in some secretive activities regarding your ninth house related matter. If the Lord of the ninth house is placed in bad situation, like eighth house Lord is placed in Sagittarius sign, and Lord of the Sagittarius sign is Jupiter. Jupiter goes into the 12th house. This indicates you will also face some type of difficulties regarding your 12th house related matter, because 6, 8, and 12th house somehow considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow these houses deal with some difficulties, obstacles, this could be a mental difficulty, this could be a physical difficulty, depends upon the particular chart and someone's chart. If the Lord of the ninth house goes to the 12th house in the naturally malefic house, this situation will consider as the bad situation for your 8th house relationships. Now, it is also very important to judge the aspect, which aspect 8th house Lord receiving in your ninth house. Let's suppose your 8th house Lord be present in your ninth house and receiving the aspect of Saturn from your third house. This will indicate you will face many obstacles, you will face many delays, you will face many restrictions regarding your Saturn related matter until your first Saturn return. Now, first Saturn return means when the Saturn transit from your third house to again comes into your third house, called the Saturn return. When Saturn will move from your third house to your birthplace to move and come back to the your birth, in simplest way is when Saturn will move in transit from your birth position and come back again after 30 years of age, because Saturn will move from one house approximately about 2.5 years. So Saturn will approximately take 28 and 28 years and half year around takings to move from your same position in your birth chart in transit. Till your first Saturn return, you will face a lot of difficulties, you will face a lot of obstacles regarding your 8th house situation related matter, and also it will manipulate the results of your ninth house related matter, because 8th house Lord is present in your ninth house and also receiving the aspect of naturally malefic house from your third house, house of efforts, house of struggle, house of hard working, also third house deal with your courage. But once the Saturn will come onto its direct, then you will start receiving the good results of the Saturn, because Saturn will mature after Saturn will come back to its birth position in your chart. These are the basic things which 8th house represent in our birth chart, and these are the basic scenarios which we see from your 8th house. And that's the simplest example. You will also have the many manipulation regarding your result if these 8th house also receiving the naturally malefic house aspect, or 8th house receiving the good aspects of the naturally benefic planet like Jupiter, your first house lord, your 10th house lord, your fourth house lord. Because let's suppose 8th house lord is present in your ninth house, and 8th house receiving the aspect of Jupiter from your fourth house. So you will also have the support of Jupiter in your eighth house, because Jupiter aspect fifth place is away from itself. seven places away from itself and nine places away from itself. So when Jupiter will set in your fourth house and aspect your eighth house Lord is present in your ninth house, and Saturn will aspecting from your third house. And once the Saturn return will occur, then you will also receiving the good result of Saturn, and you will also have the support from your fourth house to your eighth house regarding your regarding your eighth house related matter. So that is the simplest way to judge your eighth house in everyone's birth chart, and these are the daily basis significance of your eighth house which we deals in commonly in our life. So our today's video, 8,000 astrology ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.